What's going on, guys? I thought it would be useful if I just threw in a quick video on branding. Now, branding is definitely important, especially long term. In regards to this course is designed to get your feet on the ground running and get you making sales and as profitably as humanly possible in the shortest period of time. Branding doesn't really tie into that, but I'm going to cover it here just a little bit. So, with branding, again, we need a brand name for our Amazon brand, correct? Well, what can we do? How can we come up with a name? How can we make sure that it's not trademarked or we're not infringing on any sort of copyrights? And where can we go to buy a domain? Because it is a good idea to buy a domain for your brand, even if you don't plan on creating a website, just to kind of lock it up and prevent any other person from stealing your name in the future. So I'm at Google right now, and the main thing I'm going to do here, I mean, this is as simple as it is, right? I'm going to type in random business name generator. In fact, I think I've used the Shopify version before, and I think it's nice, as I recall. So we're doing a workout glove. So let's just do fitness. But again, look, please make note of this. Please don't infringe on other brands' trademarks with this tool. So these are not pre-vetted by any stretch of the imagination. You still have to do your due diligence after the fact. So generate names. And this is just anything that catches your eye, right? Fitness fanatic. I mean, obviously some of these are going to be taken. Let's just go with fit. Kind of like fit. Nice and short. Something like Fit Blaze. You know, it sounds good. It matches the workout glove, and it's probably not taken. So no, I don't want to sign up for a Shopify store. But Fit Blaze. Let's just run with Fit Blaze real quick. Open up another tab in Google. Fit Blaze. This is exactly how I would do it. So there's a Fitbit Blaze smartwatch. Fitbit.com. I do not see anything regarding Fit Blaze in particular, specifically as a brand. I'm going to do Fit Blaze trademark. It looks like it might actually be a trademark. It's a registered trademark. Yep, in India, again, it probably doesn't apply to us in the USA. And to be honest, I'm not liking all the correlation with Fitbit. So I'm just going to go ahead and X this one off the list. I'm sure there's better options. Let's go back here, hit search again. How about, let's see here, anything that catches your attention. Let's go to the second page. Fit back, that's kind of catchy, kind of interesting. Let's check that out. Fit back. So Fit back is definitely a company. Seems to be a German company. They are occupational health company, Fitback trademark. Jeez, can't type. Fitback trademark. Okay. Yeah, I don't necessarily like the fact that there's a company, even though it's in Germany, that has the same name. Again, I'm pretty anal with this stuff. I like to have my very own unique name that has no affiliation to anything else. Let's go with Oasis Fit. Something out of the box a little bit. Oasis Fit. I wonder what this is, right? I don't see anywhere that it says Oasis Fit, but huh. I don't think this one is taken. Yeah, so again, let's just use this for the purposes of the video. Now that we know we want Oasis Fit, the next step that I would take is go to GoDaddy, GoDaddy.com, search for it on here. Oasis Fit is available for $1,500. Doesn't that sound like a great deal? And now that we're actually on GoDaddy, why don't we just go ahead and start searching actually on the domain search itself, so we can kind of skip one step, if you will. Let's just type in, see what happens. Fit glove, because we're selling a workout glove, remember? Oftentimes I find misspellings to work well. Fit glove. And boom. So this is a winner. Fit glove. Matches exactly what we're selling. I do understand that it kind of cuts us off from selling many other things, but keep in mind this is for example purposes only, and also keep in mind that within your same Amazon seller account you can have multiple brands. So if you source a workout glove under the brand name Fit Glove, tomorrow you could source a kitchen utensil under the name Fit Kitchen. So it doesn't really matter there. I'm just going to roll with Fit Glove. I'm going to go ahead and purchase the domain. I'm not going to worry about all of these .nets and .orgs. I'm just going to get the .com. I'm going to add it to cart. I think it's only like $12 per year, so honestly it's like $1 a month. I would just go ahead and snag it on GoDaddy and save it for a later date, and just kind of just locking up the name, making sure no one else is going to come in and steal it from you. That's what I would do in the real world. In the next video, I'll do a short little video on how I would go ahead and get my logo done.